Number 10. Number 9. Number 8.
SharkBite Universal Brass push-to-connect fittings are compatible with PEX, copper, PVC, PERT, and HDPE pipe. SharkBite fittings come with a PEX stiffener preloaded into the fitting for PEX, PERT, and HDPE. The PEX stiffener does not need to be removed for copper or PVC applications. Cut the pipe as cleanly and squarely as possible. Be sure the pipe is free of scratches and debris. If you are handling copper pipe, remove any sharp edges or burrs on the pipe. Next, use your SharkBite depth and deburr tool to measure and mark the insertion depth on your pipe. You can find the insertion depth chart on sharkbite.com. Push the fitting to the insertion mark you just made on the pipe. Now, turn on your water and check the connection. Unlike other fittings, SharkBite Universal Brass push-to-connect fittings can be removed and reused if changes are necessary. To remove the fitting, use a SharkBite disconnect clip or tong. To use the disconnect clip, snap it onto the pipe, press the release collar using the disconnect clip, and pull the pipe from the fitting. To use the disconnect tong, slide the tong over the fitting and the pipe. Squeeze the tong to press the fitting's release collar and pull the pipe from the fitting.
Number 7.
Uniweld's MTF5 cap and hook tip has a 5-flame design, providing 100% flame wraparound for even heat distribution. The 40-degree flame angle flows onto the copper tube and away from sensitive areas. This minimizes the chances of burning adjacent components. This tip is capable of brazing up to an inch of copper tubing and will fit Uniweld's 71 or WH550 brazing handle. The stainless steel construction makes this tip durable and reliable. The cap and hook tip series also offers a 9-flame design for brazing up to 2 inches of copper and a 17-flame design for brazing up to 3 inches of copper. Uniweld, quality tools that go to work with you.
Number 6.
Lasco Fittings now has a quick, simple solution for your irrigation needs. Push fittings for IPS size Schedule 40 PVC pipe. Fittings are available in 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch sizes, couplings, elbows, T's, and caps. Here's how to install the push fittings onto Schedule 40 PVC pipe. 1. Cut pipe to the desired length. 2. Clean the end, ensuring that it is debris-free. 3. Insert the pipe into the fitting, making sure that the pipe passes through both O-rings to be fully seated inside. Push fittings do not require any glue or primer for installation. Once installed, the fittings cannot be reused. These fittings are for outdoor, non-potable cold water irrigation applications only. They are not to be used in a dwelling. For more information about push fittings, go to lascofittings.com.
Number 5. 4.
The Corky Quiet Fill Platinum Fill Valve in 2-inch flapper kit is designed to fix the most commonly replaced toilet parts. Easy to install, the Platinum Fill Valve fits 99% of toilets and has a refill adjuster that delivers the right amount of water to the bowl to maintain original performance. The Ultra High Performance Flapper is the most universal 2-inch flapper available and is ideal to fit 1.28 up to 5 gallons per flush toilets.
Number 3.
Keeney, the leader in plumbing solutions, is excited to present No-crimp valves, the easiest solution for PEX water supply stop installations. Other PEX valves can require expensive and bulky special tools that make installation difficult. The No-crimp valve combines the trusted Keeney valve body with an integrated PEX connection design. As the nut is tightened onto the valve, the sleeve compresses the PEX pipe around the internal barb and the double O-ring seals to produce a leak-free connection. Installation is a breeze. Cut the tube if necessary, place the nut and sleeve, push the valve in, tighten the nut, and the job is done. The Keeney No-crimp valve offers a quick and easy install that only needs a wrench. No specialty tools are needed to install, remove, or adjust the valve. And it eliminates common PEX connection issues. As the leader in plumbing solutions, you can count on Keeney with the No-crimp valve.
Number 2. Number 1.